Step into the future of home tech. Prepare to explore a curated collection of cool gadgets and latest inventions that transforms your space into a tech-savvy haven you won't want to unplug from. So let's jump to the video. Have you ever seen anything like this? This flower is actually in motion. Responding to the sun's gentle nudge, the flower unfurls its petals each morning and gathers them close again at dusk. This gadget is known as Solstice Clock. As the sun climbs high in the sky, the clock expands, reaching its peak at midday. Then, mirroring the setting sun, it gradually contracts by evening. The clock face is a masterpiece of miniature craftsmanship, composed of tiny wooden pieces intricately joined to allow for fluid movement. This unique clock boasts two modes: a traditional 12-hour rotation in clock mode and a mesmerizing minute-by-minute cycle in demo mode. The Solstice Clock operates silently and requires minimal effort for assembly. Don't worry, it's all just a bit of playful thunder and lightning in the cloud. This exquisite masterpiece, reminiscent of a floating cloud delicately poised above a reflective surface, has captivated hearts and minds, eliciting admiration even from prominent figures. The cloud appears to effortlessly hover, seemingly defying gravity a mere 3 inches above the mirrored surface. Infused with sound-reactive LED lights, the sculpture dances to your favorite tunes. It bathes your space in a captivating symphony of colors, transforming it into a vibrant soundscape. If you have a passion for traveling, get ready to spruce up your walls with 3D-colored wooden world map. This handcrafted marvel brings the world to life in 3D, adding a vibrant pop of color and dimension to your space. The map boasts a customizable LED backlight that pulsates to the rhythm of your favorite music, creating a captivating light show on your wall. The magnetic surface lets you display your favorite travel photos right next to the corresponding locations on the map. The package kit comes complete with all essentials you need: detailed ocean name labels, miniature wooden planes and boats to mark your travel dreams, a compass to guide your way, double-sided tape for easy mounting, and even corner stencils for flawless placement. Feeling lost in a sea of scattered notes and office supplies? It's time to reclaim your workspace with the LeMat Magnetic Fixer 2.0. This innovative gadget boasts a magnetic design, clinging seamlessly to any desk pad. No more scattered phone chargers, pens, or random papers. The fixer keeps your essentials organized and right at your fingertips. For added convenience, it features 3 built-in USB ports and cable holders on both sides, keeping your devices charged and untangled. On top of that, an NFC tag provides quick access to your digital environment. Need some extra light to illuminate your work? The fixer has you covered with adjustable brightness settings. And the best part? The magnetic surface allows you to stick them directly onto the fixer, eliminating the frustration of lost papers. Make way for the Muzen OTR Bluetooth speaker, leaving fridge magnets behind. This adorable little speaker clings to your fridge like a cherished friend, but don't let its size fool you. The Muzen OTR boasts an impressive acoustic system that delivers surprisingly rich sound. It's more than just a speaker, though. With its vintage radio charm, complete with Morse code beeps and a glowing dial, it's a delightful trip down memory lane. Plus, one-button operation and supreme portability make it your perfect companion for any adventure. Just pick your favorite case and grab the band that best suits you, and you're ready to take your music anywhere. Introducing the perfect blend of past and present: a cassette player, Bluetooth speaker, and a real functioning tape, all in one. This innovative device boasts a transparent design, allowing you to see the inner workings of the cassette player. Plus, its stable performance and compact size make it a breeze to use. Transform your classic boombox into a wireless music marvel by simply adding this ingenious gadget. It's the perfect way to enjoy your favorite cassettes alongside the convenience of Bluetooth connectivity. No more agonizing over which device to charge first. This clever wireless charger gadget can power up your phone, earbuds, and watch simultaneously, eliminating the need for multiple cords. This clever gadget features a smart coil that adjusts to your phone's position, ensuring optimal charging every time. Plus, a handy nightlight illuminates your space for late-night charging sessions, and a mini display shows you the charging status of each device. What are your options if you need to charge more than 3 devices at once? Don't sweat it. The E-Tank Gaming Power Strip features a best-in-class 200 watts fast charging system, ensuring all your devices are fueled for action. The E-Tank conquers clutter by powering up to 7 devices, a must-have for any serious gamer's setup. The E-Tank doesn't stop at power. Dazzling RGB lighting completes the package, transforming your space into an epic gaming arena. Moreover, the E-Tank boasts a fire-resistant metal body for ultimate protection, wrapped in a sleek design that complements any gamer's setup. To really make your shots shine, upgrade the picture and video quality with the JektorPro. This device utilizes cutting-edge millimeter wave technology for a blazing fast wireless connection. With a range of up to 82 feet and ultra-low latency, you'll enjoy seamless gameplay without compromise. Is this light green or blue? Sometimes it seems to flash both. Big things come in small packages. The JektorPro's compact design hides a powerful HD transmitter, delivering crystal-clear visuals for an immersive gaming or multimedia experience. Discover the latest in gadgets by hitting that subscribe button, giving us a thumbs up, and sharing this video with your nearest and dearest. Hit the bell icon to stay in the loop and never miss out on our latest updates. Please watch this next video for more latest gadgets.